Hello friends, welcome in my channel SB Unstoppable. Today, 13 September, current affairs. Which country hosted the 73rd sessions of WHO Southeast Asia region? This is hosted by Thailand. In this section, this is hosted by Thailand under the chairmanship of Deputy PM or Prime Minister and Minister of Health Thailand, Mr. Anutin Charni Virakul. And in this section, the Indian Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan also included. This is aimed for COVID-19 and non-COVID-19 patient safety for this section. Next question. What is the position of India in the Global Economic Freedom Index 2020? The position is 105, 105th position. This is for the civil society, but this position is fallen from 26 spot to 105. 26 spot. This is from 79th position to 105 position. This year, this is topped by Hong Kong. Second position is Singapore, and third position is New Zealand. In this section, some information. This index ranking is done by Canada Fraser Institute, 24th edition of Economic Forum. Degree of freedom, mainly 1. Size of government, legal system and proper right, sound money, freedom to trade internationally, regulation. Some important information. Fraser Institute headquarters in Vancouver, Canada, and head is Peter Brown. And Indian Civil Society head is Partha Saha and headquarters is New Delhi. Next question. Which bank has topped the is 2.0 index by Indian Banking Association? This is Bank of Baroda. EASC 2.0 is full form Enhanced Access and Service Excellence 2.0. This is topped by Bank of Baroda. Second position is State Bank of India, and third position Oriental Bank of Commerce. Theme of EASC 2.0: responsible banking, customer responsiveness, credit uptake, PSBS as Udda Mitra for MSMEs, depending financial inclusion and digitalization, governance, rear. Commissioned by Minister of Finance. Next question. World Fastest Day is observed on second Saturday of September. It is started by International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies IFRC in 2020. The 13th edition of AERO India 21 is scheduled to be held at Bengaluru. We know that Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is held on Air Force Station Ilahanka, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Next question. Who is appointed by UNICEF for Children Rights Campaign? This is Ayushman Khurrana. Next question. India's largest precary mission has been launched by the state Meghalaya. It is outlay rupees 209 crore under Meghalaya Livestock Enterprise Advancement and funded by National Cooperative Development Corporation. This is NCDC. And aim is transform fisheries sector through quality enhanced skill development, value addition and input cost optimization. Farmer got interest-free loan. In this is some information. Meghalaya CM Conrad Sangama, Governor Satyapal Malik, Capital Shillong. International Day for South Cooperation is observed on 12 September. 5-star village pilot project has been launched by the Department of Post. Aim is 100% rural coverage of postal scheme and to bridge the gaps in the public awareness and reach of postal products and services, especially interior villages. Who become the brand ambassador of player sport with Siti Mandana? This is Indian fast bowler Bhuvaneshwar Kumar.